In this video, I will show you how to fix the Digimon Up game if it's crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, freezing, or showing a black screen. The first thing you want to do is restart your device. Press the power button and then tap on the restart option. Once your phone turns back on, launch the game again and check if the issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to exit out of the Digimon game. Then you want to reopen it and check if that fixes your problem. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data, refresh your network and check. If the problem continues, force stop the app. To do that, you want to open your device settings, then tap on apps. Now from this list of applications, find Digimon Up and select that. Here, you want to look for the option of force stop. Tap on it, then tap on OK. Next, you want to tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache. Next, you want to make sure that the game is updated to the latest version. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here search for Digimon Up. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app. If the game isn't available in your region or you're experiencing server-related issues, you can try connecting through a trusted VPN and then launch the game again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.